it's Susan here from Kawaii no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be talking about sewing machine needles. So, the anatomy of a sewing machine needle is a little bit different from a traditional hand sewing needle in that the hole or eye of the needle is closer towards the point, and the end is curved on one side and flat on the other. This helps to indicate the direction it's going to go in the machine. So when it's inserted in the machine, the flat side is going to be facing away from you, and the curved side is going to be facing towards you. So today we're just going to be talking about 3 of the most common types of sewing machine needles for when you're first starting out. You can go very deep into sewing machine needles. You could have leather needles, denim needles, all sorts of types, but these are 3 that are great for picking up when you're first getting started. And the first is the universal needle, and like the name suggests, it's pretty universal. You can use it for most basic sewing projects. Then we have the ballpoint needles, and like the name suggests, it has a ballpoint on the end. This is great for sewing stretch fabrics because the ballpoint makes it easier to sew through stretchy material without skipping stitches. Then over here we have the microtex needle, and these needles are sharp and good for sewing delicate fabrics like satin or organza without puckering the material. One thing I should also mention is that the sizing on the fronts of these, they have different numbers. The larger numbers are the European sizing, while the smaller numbers are the American sizing. And the smaller number indicates that it's a smaller needle, while the larger number is a larger needle. For the most part, the smaller needles are going to be used for more lightweight fabrics, while the larger sizes are going to be used for more heavier weight fabrics. So this was just a quick intro into sewing machine needles. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay tutorial videos and cosplay sewing videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.